Well, here I am again. Got the engine in the car. I got almost everything hooked up. I'm actually just started wiring up the Mega Squirt harness into the car, but I'm trying to figure out which wires go where for like the throttle position sensor. The closest thing I could find to what the wires were on the 240SX throttle position sensor, which I got at AutoZone for $25. It was an automatic version. There was a Mega Squirt and Spark Extra install in your 280ZX on Hybrid Z, I think. And he said he wired it up red to, what is it? TPS in, white was TPS out. Or no, I'm sorry. Red was 5-volt ref, white was TPS in, and black was TPS out on the relay board. So what I'm gonna do is on the 3.0 diagram, it has 5-volt reference, signal, and the ground. I'm just gonna red for the voltage. I'm gonna actually make white the signal, and black's gonna be the ground. And I finally got some bolts to actually hold the throttle on there better. I got my new gangster intake. My buddy's making me a block off plate for the EGR, and I jerry-rigged the fuel pressure regulator. There's two different kinds. I have one from the junkyard. It only has one fitting. This one has two fittings here, and then a fitting on the bottom that goes out, and then the vacuum nipple. This one over here, this is the one I'm probably going to use for the pound that fuel rail. Go one, I'm guessing this is in, and this is out, and then just have the nipple. I don't know. I guess that's on the later model, like 82, I think I pulled that off of. And that's the one I had. I don't even remember where I mounted it at. I can't figure it out. So I just jerry-rigged it with this fuel rail for now until I get the pound net fuel rail and I get the other injectors installed. I had a water leak on the water pump, so I just took it off, and new gasket, new pump. Actually, it's like $20 at AutoZone. Yeah, charging the blue top right now. I drained her down to 5 volts on accident. She's coming back though. And I decided to take my distributor apart because the engine was running real bad before I finally pulled her in and did the rebuild. I found a cracked ring on number 3 or 4 cylinder, the top one, and then I found a bunch of cracked vacuum lines and stuff. It was running fine before all this happened, and then she just didn't want to run all of a sudden at all. I could get her to start for maybe 5 minutes. She'd idle, that's it. She wouldn't do anything else. So I thought it was vacuum leaks. So I was like, whatever, I'll just rebuild it. Well, I pulled the distributor off today to take it to get the mechanical advances welded up, and I've been taking it apart, and I don't know, I think I'm going to have to go get a new one because there's like plastic crumbs and oil in the bottom of this one, and I took it apart, and this plastic thing, all this plastic, these things in between here that had little ball bearings or something. I took it apart and it just disintegrated. Like, it just crapped out, I guess. And then my vacuum advance, I don't even think it worked. So I was probably running weird ass timing. So now I gotta go find another one of these goddamn things. I was excited too. I wanted to wire up my new blaster coil, but I guess I gotta go find a new distributor to either at the junkyard or, I don't know, rebuild this one. Oh well. I'll make it work. Well, that's my update for now. I'm gonna go to the Motorsport Auto Z meet tomorrow up in Orange. I live in San Diego, so it's only like an hour away. I'm gonna go. Supposed to dyno run this beast, but it's not gonna happen. So probably give it to somebody that's up there. Well, peace out.